Good morning. Happy Friday, Appleters. I just wanted to update you on, I don't know what this is. It's telling me I have no volume. What does that mean? Never mind. I just noticed something and apparently it doesn't matter. So there's your first blooper for the day from me. Um, Wanted to remind you guys that your Socratic questions are due at the end of the day today. Also, those of you who are not taking the AP exam, my AP exam, the applet. Those of you who are not taking that, you do not have to do the poetry corner, okay? You do not have to do that. You don't even have to turn it in. If it shows that it's missing, that doesn't matter. I'm not grading it. So you can turn it in if it makes you feel better to click done, go for it. Otherwise, you can just leave it as missing and it's not going to count against you at all, like I said. Those of you who are taking the applet exam and you would like help, and if you know anybody in Mr. Davidson's class who would like some help with any of these poems or anything, I'm going to host a Zoom today at 1 for those of you who would like to discuss the poems from this week. So we had um, Tennyson's Ulysses and we had T.S. Eliot's Proof Rock. Okay, so again, that is for those of you who are taking the applet exam and or for those of you who you know that you're going to continue to study literature in college. Um, all we're going to do is discuss it, have question and answer session, and I'm going to teach you how to do the spots method a little bit quicker for the AP exam, okay? Um, don't forget about the Fun Friday photo challenge for the senior class on Instagram. It's at Max Seniors 2020. That's our page. Today is post things that make you happy. So I made a little montage and put mine up there, and I know Miss Moyer did too. So we would love to see your pictures. So I'll see some of you hopefully at 1 today for the poetry Zoom. The rest of you guys, I will see you next week. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Bye.